Hi JP!
Hi Kim! Wow, nice haircut.
Thank you, kakagupit ko lang kahapon. Sige, tara, pasok!
Thank you! Kamusta ka naman?
I'm good, my heart is full.
How's life in New Zealand?
I'm enjoying my stay here. I feel accomplished and I have a good news with you I want to share. So, we only have in New Zealand one active case of COVID-19.
That's amazing.
Good job, New Zealand.
Good job.
Good job, good job.
So, what's behind this door?
Gusto mo makita?
Yes, please.
This is our garage.
Wow. 2 cars and that's your car.
Yeah, hindi ko lahat kotse yan. Pasok tayo.
How long have you been here?
5 years na.
Oo nga, naalala ko pa, despedida mo noon with our high school friends.
Hi guys, I miss you.
Miss you guys. So, can you share how was the journey?
My journey?
Yes.
The journey here in New Zealand. Start kasi ako as a student here in 2015 in Rotorua, and then in 2 years after I've earned my nursing registration, and then now I've been working as a chemotherapy nurse at Waikato DHP since 2019. So
was it hard?
It was hard. It was a roller coaster ride, and I had a few share of ups and downs, but I feel happy and accomplished.
Feel for you, bro.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro.
So, what do you do for fun here?
Buti nga ang New Zealand has a good life and work balance. So, but mostly I do travel. Travel. And good thing, convenient lahat dito, lahat ng mga places dito, and every region has something to offer. So, ang daming mapupuntahan. If you're adventurous and you love nature, dito na kayo sa New Zealand. So, you got it all for you.
Yes, ang ganda nga talaga dito sa New Zealand, no?
Yeah.
And maiba lang, are you comfortable to share your salary?
Personal na question yun, pero all I can say is I'm living a comfortable life.
Okay, I respect that. So, this is your kitchen, isn't it?
This is my kitchen. Itong dining area namin. That's our living room. Ganda, no?
Ang ganda nga. Fully furnished na yung bahay nung naglipat kayo dito?
Lumipat kami. We only have the dishwasher and the oven. For the rest, kami na nag-provide.
Oh, so you mean itong fridge kayo nag-provide?
Yeah.
Microwave kayo nag-provide?
Kami provide.
The utensils?
Kami lahat
provide.
Itong dining, kami provide. Yung mga sofa, kami provide.
And the lazy boy as well?
Lazy boy, kami provide.
Okay. Pero itong aircon kasama na yan.
Ay, oo, kasama na yan.
Okay.
Kaya tayo?
Okay tayo?
Sige.
Ilan ba ang bedrooms niya dito?
So, we have 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
Isang bedroom sa baba.
Yon?
Yan. Dalawang bedroom sa taas.
Ayun po.
Ayan. 2 bedroom sa taas.
Okay.
Isang kwarto ko. Sabi ka, tayo.
Katingin?
So, dito yung isang kwarto. Tulog pa yung housemate ko. So, mag-natebalahan. Uy!
Ayan, kalat.
Makalat mo. Kalimutan po maglinis ito kasi dito.
So, ilan naman yung CR niyo dito?
Ito CR.
Okay. So, ito yung...
This is our CR.
Nice.
Kalilinis lang po namin.
Ang ganda.
Tsaka may view.
Yes, may view sila. Oh. Bubong. So, ito yung unang CR nyo. Tapos yung isa, toilet lang.
Toilet lang.
Okay. Tapos yung isa, nasaan?
Nasa loob ng kwarto ng flatmate ko. So, hindi natin mapapasok eh.
Okay, so that's fine. Privacy matters.
Yeah.
So, how much yung rent and bills per week, approximately?
Bills? for a week kasi dito sa New Zealand they charge us every week. So 160 ang 480 lahat all in all. So divided by 3 since we have 3 rooms, so 160 each kami.
Okay.
For the rent lang yun
For the rent, and yung bills approximately?
About 180
with the bills?
With the bills, electricity, Wi-Fi.
That's not bad.
Not bad actually.
So, before natin i-end yung video, ano yung advice mo sa mga gusto pumunta dito sa Middle Earth or New Zealand?
Middle Earth. 3 advices.
Sige.
Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Do your research. And subscribe to JP's
to my channel. Oh, hindi pa ako naliligo.
Sorry, mahaba po.
Thank you, Kim, for your time.
Thank you guys. Thank you for the house tour, James.
No, thank you for the house tour. And
sana nag-enjoy kayo?
Yes, sobra. And is that your hospital?
Yes.
At the back?
Yes, that's our hospital.
Anong pangalan ng hospital niyo?
Waikato Hospital or Waikato DHP.
Okay. So, marami bang vacancies dyan?
So far marami. So, apply na kayo.
Okay. Thank you, Kim.
Yeah.
Expert tong si Kim eh. Score. Ano mo na yan? Ano na naman guys yung score? Tayo dyan. Expert eh.